At kami po ay nagbabalik sa ating talk show ulit na pinamagatang itanong ko kay Madam K. At ang ating huling katanungan ay magmumula kay Marian Nathan.
Doc, I have a question. How to circumcise young and older people?
Dr. DM, you heard the question? Right?
How to circumcise
How to circumcise
young
young and older
men. Young and older men. How to circumcise. Alright. Another trivia.
Oh,
Do you know, as doctors, specialists, we have secret weapon, secret equipment that you don't know. Aside from mosquitoes, Kellys, something like that, the forceps. In circumcision, we don't use anything. It's only pedigree. The food of dog. Yes. You ask me why? Why? Here's what you're going to do. You know the pedigree? You will insert it inside the penis. And after you insert that inside the penis, you call the dog. You call the dog. Then that dog will now bite the excess skin of the penis. Then that will now be a solution for circumcision. Alright, that's it.
very well said, Doctor.
Ayun, of course.
Paano yun?